Take a deep breath. I am undergoing a powerful transformation. Open your eyes. This manifestation journal from Project 369, speaking your truth. A lot of times people hold back. People hold back from speaking how they're feeling, speaking their truth, because they don't want to hurt the other person or the other individual, hurt their feelings, make them upset, make them sad. If you don't speak your truth and you don't put a voice to your feelings, the only person you're hurting is yourself. Sometimes when we feel like, oh, I don't want to say that because I don't want to hurt the other person. I don't want to make them sad. I don't want them to be mad at me. I don't want them to not be friends with me. If you don't voice your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions, number one, that person's never going to know. And number two, you're keeping all of that trapped inside your body, and you don't deserve that. No one deserves that. I also want to say that if you're unsure as to why it's so hard or why you have a hard time speaking your truth, you're not alone. You're not alone. I was there. Me personally, it came from childhood traumas. Now I'm doing the healing. I'm doing the work. I'm becoming aware of where it all stemmed from. And when you're able to find like the root cause of it, it brings a new level of awareness to the situation, which in return, if you really, really want something, if you really, really want to feel different, if you really, really want to move forward, you'll find a way. When you become aware of the root cause, you'll find a way to like break free from that and to move forward from it. And when you become aware of it, it's all about just letting go of your old self, surrendering. And when I say surrendering, I say that in a very loving, positive way. The word surrender can have a negative feeling toward it, but surrendering in this context is surrendering to yourself, to freedom, to the universe, to God, source, whatever you believe in, higher power, to surrender to trusting that and trusting yourself that like you're ready for the next step and you're ready to grow through it. And when you surrender, there's a new version of you, reborn, meaning a new you, your higher self, your truest self, your most authentic self. Because all the obstacles we go through, the universe is bringing us those obstacles to see how much we're willing to trust to grow through it and become stronger, more truer, more authentic, reborn to your higher self, like you. It's like, hey, Jessica 2.0, but really it's like I'm Jessica, but I'm like a more aware Jessica. I'm a more me Jessica. I am a more authentic Jessica. I also want to speak on when it comes to speaking your truth and putting a voice to your feelings and your words. I want you to know that no one can take away your power when you are speaking your truth and your honesty. And you cannot see the picture while you're in the frame, meaning you can't see the whole story while you're in it. And when I look back on the frames and the stories that I was growing through, I'm like, wow, you really can't see it. And others can. So that brings me to my next point, which is asking and receiving for support. Because if you keep it all inside, it's not going to be good for you. It's going to stay bottled, and then that's going to bring about more limiting beliefs, more negativity, more low energy, low resonating energy, unwanted energy inside of your body. But when you free it and you release it, meaning speaking it to others, you're letting it go. You're letting it out to the universe. You're letting God, source, higher power, whatever you believe in, know that you're asking for support. And asking for support from others is not a bad thing. If you're anything like me, my old self, I used to feel like asking for support or asking for help with something is not something to do. It is. You attract everyone who you're around. And when you speak to the right people, people are willing to support you. People want to support you. Another point that I want to talk about is when it comes to speaking your truth, your words are so important. Whether you're talking to someone or to the universe. It doesn't have to be like a physical person in front of you to speak your truth also. So that brings me to affirmations and physically speaking your affirmations. For example, I'm reading, I just got this manifestation journal from Project 369. And in it, it talks about hard times. And I want to share with you your I am statement. So an I am statement is anything that comes after I am is what you're claiming, what you're feeling that you are. So if you say I'm bored, I am sad, I am a loser, I am not worthy, that is what you're going to attract. That is what you're going to attract. If you say I am worthy, I am powerful, I am loving, I am abundant, I am courageous, I am caring, I am a magnet of good energy, that is what you're claiming. And words are so powerful because everything you speak comes to fruition, whether you think it or not. Because the words turn into feelings, turn into thoughts, turn into emotions, all connected. So in this book, it says, I am undergoing a powerful transformation. I enable my best self by maintaining a positive attitude. So I'm undergoing a powerful transformation versus I am dealing with some hard things. I am going through a powerful transformation. How does that feel? Say that, like actually speak that to me, to the YouTube video. I am undergoing a powerful transformation. Sit in that. Close your eyes and listen. Take a deep breath. I am undergoing a powerful transformation. Open your eyes. Now, feel this. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose. I am never going to receive what I want. I am never going to move forward. I'm trying so hard. I'm not feeling it. How does that feel? Open your eyes. I think you know the answer. So when you speak, it's so powerful. All the words that come after I am. Affirm your concept of self, your I am, regardless of what you are facing with, what you're faced with. Look at hardships and obstacles as opportunities to explore and experience your I am. So when you're going through hardships, obstacles, hard times, that is the best time, the most perfect time to practice your I am statements. The only way you can grow and evolve is to be faced with hardships and obstacles and difficult times, right? Because we learn when we go through it, when we grow through it. That's when the most growth happens. And I really feel like a lot of you are resonating with it. Those who are still watching it, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you to continue on this journey of self-growth, self-discovery, self-love, self-freedom, because you're in the right direction. You're in the right place. You're seeking the right resources. You are bringing in what you're calling in. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave a comment down below with the number 5 if this resonated with you, and I will see you guys in my next video.